Architas is a multi-manager investment company and part of the global AXA Group. As a member of the AXA family, we share common aims and values. Most importantly, we want to act for human progress by protecting what matters. In recent years, AXA has taken significant steps in this area, from its leading work in reporting and reducing carbon emission to a new strategy addressing the growing issue of biodiversity loss. Here at Architas, we strive to be a force for collective good by helping our clients to use their money for positive change and by helping them to protect and prepare for the financial future of themselves and of their loved ones. To achieve this, in 2018, we began a journey to make responsible investing our default approach across all regions.
Responsible investing doesn't mean looking only at the financials when we are making an investment. It means also looking at how this investment is affecting the society and the environment. And we want these investments, our investment, to have a positive impact on the world in which they operate. We also believe that responsible investing helps to reduce the risk of the investment and also improve the financial returns as the whole economy is transitioning to sustainability.
When we look at how we manage our investments, the integration of responsible investing in our portfolios has become very important. At Architas, we look to embed the responsible investing at the core of all of our client offers. Responsible investing is growing in popularity across the globe. In some regions, such as Europe, the adoption has been earlier than, say, Asia. However, we see this reversing as Asian countries are quickly catching up to other countries, and we believe responsible investing will soon become a global norm.
Pendant longtemps, l'investissement responsable est resté cantonné aux investisseurs institutionnels. Mais ces dernières années, la demande des particuliers a été forte et la réglementation de plus en plus exigeante dans ce domaine. Aujourd'hui, les investisseurs particuliers veulent voir l'impact environnemental ou social des produits financiers dans lesquels ils investissent. Pour y parvenir, notre approche d'investissement responsable consiste à analyser spécifiquement les fonds sélectionnés afin d'identifier leur empreinte ESG. Nous réalisons des analyses tant qualitatives que quantitatives et le processus est cohérent sur l'ensemble de nos offres, ici en France ainsi que dans les autres pays.
We look at how our underlying funds are handling the relevant environmental, social and governance issues when they invest. Our analysts do this as part of the usual investment due diligence process. We don't just rely on scores from data providers. We speak with fund managers to find out all about their policies and governance. We also look at how the fund integrates ESG analysis and how it monitors and reports on these issues. We have a consistent rating process which determines whether or not our fund can be held in our products.
What sets Architas apart from many others is that we combine a responsible investing approach with a multi-manager approach. Our products contain a mixture of underlying funds from many asset managers. We can essentially take advantage of their expertise and all of their research and processes so that they become an extension of our own investment process.
We actively work with fund managers to improve their handling and reporting of ESG issues. And we encourage them to work with the companies they invest in to ensure they are doing the same. Ultimately, we want them to use their influence for good.
Responsible investing has been important to us for a long time. And we are on a journey at the moment, which we believe will help us move towards a better, more sustainable future. Since 2018, we have also been signatories of the United Nations Principles for Responsible Investment. This means we are committed to integrating ESG in our investment process, and we encourage others to do the same. We are currently rating all of our underlying funds on their ESG performance, and we aim to have all funds across all Architas offers rated by the end of 2021. Eventually, we will be proud to say that wherever you're investing in Architas, you can be sure your money is held in funds that are investing responsibly. This way, we can really act for human progress by protecting what matters.